Yeah, back here, the Safe Soldier. Let's have a look today on the BMW R75 with Sidecar. And it's a scale to 1 to 35, of course. And we have the BMW, nice artwork here from the branding Italeri. If you can see, we have 3 figures included, and that's great, of course. The other side of the box was some information what to buy in your next model or something. Very simple, of course. The manual guides with a lot of text, interesting, but it's a really simple kit to make. We have simple parts, and it fits already good together. It's more painting than gluing, to say, if you can see here. And well, I like it very much. It's a 1 weekend build, I call it a little bit, so you don't have to worry about it. It goes very fast. The painting is the most work by these little kits. Then the figure itself, it's really good thing, so nice quality from Italy, of course. The posters are good. We have someone who's reading a map or something. I didn't have a map, so I print out a little bit of German text things. And well, that will do the trick, of course. We have some sticker decals on it, the number shield, and on the helmets we have the swastika and the other signs of it. And we have someone who is looking or talking to them. Maybe he's asking something, I don't know. I put his rifle on his back, if you can see. On the carton, and also you can see on the figure that he has to be holding it in his hands. It looks like he's doing something else or something, we don't know. But yeah, well, it's not really to say about it. It's a real great thing. It's what you want for this money. I paid 10 euros for it. And we also have this one. It's the, but I have to build it, Zundap, and it's almost the same model. The same positions and something, so that's for the next time. But for now, I must say it's a really fun little kit to make, of course, and motorcycles are always great, especially some W's with those boxer engines, of course, and they fit well in every diorama that you can make with those little things. So I hope you enjoyed it. I make a quick review because well, I can told you all the information on this book. That the thing we have 16,500 from these models. They're built in World War II, of course, but they're also in Africa. We have an MG 30. What is it? 34 on it. Yeah, that's correct. That is great. And the thing drives 92 kilometers an hour per well, you get the clue. It's not really a fast thing, but it doesn't matter because hey, it's a long time ago. We have also the goggles, or what is it, glasses on these helmets. And the face expressions are really simple. I use a lot of black tone, so you can see some shadows and the dirt also in their faces. Well, and for the rest, I glue the whole thing together. Also the figures on the bike, so they don't move inside. Well, that was it. I hope you enjoyed it. Next time also we have this little thing. I get a present, of course, and this was it. It's a German tractor, and it's gonna take some time to build, I think. So yeah, but that is for later. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment or not. Join my Facebook, of course, the www Facebook, the Safe Soldier. And I know I'm not a huge uploader from something, but it's my hobby. I don't want to live. I don't have to live with it. How do you call it? To getting rich of those videos or something. I don't like those commercial shit which you have already in all your Facebook and YouTube stuff. Well, that was my great English, of course. You like that or not? I don't care. See you next time. Okay, goodbye.